Crude oil, now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, based on daily chart, as you can see, the price broke this high. Now the things we have here, the price is correcting. Now the question is whether this is the correction for the continuation, or still we can expect the price drop. If I say drop, what I want to say, does mean the price drop one more. Does mean we get the bigger correction. We won't expect the price to drop to this low at this moment. Okay, that's mean what I want to say, whether we get this correction for the continuation up move, or can we expect the bigger correction. That's mean the price will be with a drop some more for bigger correction for the next move up. Okay, now if we refer to, we put compare this part with this, we move to MACD, we see still we have a divergence. Okay, that's why we mentioned that maybe we get a bigger correction. Okay, and now the things is also I need to highlight the bigger correction may happen here, or may the price we get one more up move at the higher price we get the deeper correction. What I want to say, mostly we can expect the deeper correction where we are not sure. Okay, the only thing is we want to next week we want to look into this correction, we see how we can trade it. Okay, in this case I move to forward chart. As we can see based on forward chart also, if we compare this one to this, based on this different, we have a divergence as well here. Okay, now the things is what I want to say here, whether we should look, that's mean we have a correction here, whether the next week we consider this is the only correction we have it in relative to this, and this is the start of the up move. That's mean we will have a correction here, and the price from here can continue to go higher, or still we can expect this one. That's mean whether from here a price move higher, price can drop, we get the correction here. Depends what type of the correction we get before we get the next up move. Okay, now the things is we need to look, I mean next week we want to know whether this is only correction and the price can continue, or still the price can drop for bigger correction before the continuation. Now the things is how we can trade this. Okay, even based on the indicators we mentioned, we have a divergence, and if we move to lower time frame, okay, based on lower time frame, now we want to see how we can trade it. Again, if this is the only correction, that means this is the start of the up move, or based on the divergence, still we can expect the bigger correction for the next move up. Now I just repeat this one. Now the thing is how we can trade this. Okay, based on what we have right now, if we want to look for buy within this correction, what I want to say is that the best is let the price drop, break this low, then within this range if we get any buy setup we take it, and as long as the price come to this high we start to manage it. How if the price break this low, how deep it go, we are not sure. If it go lower, we can get a better trade setup. Maybe it's better for me to move to 15-minute chart, is more clear. Okay, and as I say, if you want to look for buy, let the price whether from here, let the price drop and break this low. How deep it can go, we are not sure. If the price move lower, it can give us a better trade. At least we want the price break this low, and then from there within this range any buy setup we take, if we get, it depends of the traders, we take it. But if we get any buy, as long as the price come to this level, we start to manage. If there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade. The reason is that because we mentioned based on the 1 hour chart, we have two possibility. Because the possibility the price drop, reverse, break this high, then drop, we have it. That's why when the price come to this level, if we get any buy setup, if there is no continuation, we take the trade. Okay, but how about if the price come to this level and can drop some more? That is okay. That means we don't get the buy setup, because the possibility we don't get this trade and the price from here can reverse to this low, we have. Okay, I mean there is. This is how we can, if you, now we're talking about the buy. If we get the buy, how we can, if you want to look for buy, how we can trade for buy. Okay. The another option is, how about, do we need to look for sell? Because based on the, we have two options based on the daily chart, where one is the, this is, I mean, the price from here can move up. Now I'm explaining how we can look for buy. And the another option was that if I move here, the another option was that made the price from here drop, come to this level. If the price drop, come to this level for the big correction, how we can look for sell. Okay, in that case, I move to lower time frame. For me, when the market open, if you want to look for sell, if the price drop from here, I won't look for sell. Even having entry below this, I won't suggest. It depends on the traders and it depends when the market open. What I want to say is that if I want to look for sell, at least I prefer the price start to correct, move a bit higher, give a bigger correction. Even if the price come to take this high, it doesn't matter. Then from there, if I get any sell setup, I take it. And as long as the price come to this level, we need to start to manage it. If there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade. Okay. Anyway, may I repeat again, what I say here is that we will have two possibilities. The first possibility is that we have only this correction and this is the start of the up move. The another possibility, may we look for the bigger correction. That means we can expect the price drop before we get the up move. Okay, now the thing is, how are we going to trade this? If you want to look for buy and if you want to look for sell. That's why if I move to lower time frame, what I said is that if we want to look for buy, let the price break this low, at least break this low, then we look for buy. If we get any buy setup within this range, we take it. And as long as the price come to this high, we start to manage. If there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade. And if we want to look for sell, we won't sell within this range. Let the price one move up at least, or we get the bigger correction. If we get the bigger correction, it's better for us. Then even if the price take this high, then any buy within this range, we take it. Sorry, any sell within this range, we take it. If we get the sell setup, and as long as the price come to this low, we start to manage it. If there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now, and it depends on what we get from here. From this part when the market open. Then from there we make a decision whether we should look for the continuation of up move or the price can drop. That's mean we look for the reversal. Anyway, we just follow the market. When our market open, if I see any trade setup or any update, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.